Nick Reich on the line. Nick coming into this weekend just 1 point behind Wade Good, but Nick had the fastest time on course 1. Wade had a good time on course 2, but had some difficulties. There's definitely time for Nick to be able to capitalize on there.
Again, Nick sitting first place. We'll see how that shakes out for him today.
Nick comes all the way from Wisconsin to race with us. We are in Missouri this weekend, guys, so...
Oh, no.
Oh, man, what happened? All right, he's just getting another go at it. So the commitment that Nick has to this sport and this series, the travel involved, everything that goes into it, hats off to him, because it is not easy, and he does some of the most traveling out of all of our drivers to get here. Not the smoothest run we've seen on the Yukon Dewitt Hill, but that's all right. He made it. He's on his way back down. And with a 110-point lead over third place coming into this weekend, Nick can afford to play a little safer on this hill and make sure that he just gets a good solid time without getting too crazy out here.
See what it does on the short course area here. I know Nick does a lot of shock tuning on his ORI shock, so get out there and see how good those guys can work in the short course area.
Well, he's got probably the lightest buggy out here, if not the lightest. It's definitely one of the top 2 out here. So he is just throwing this thing around the short course right now.
Look at that, just whipping around those corners. Woo! 115.